Ekero serikali yense ya Kenya inse Ministry ya Tourism and Wildlife agendrete kubisangireria na kwire birengera bya bananchi iguru yali chiko gose bile iyo erirwa sebunge eyu erengete kobeka machiko namarago ao yokolenda chingiti ne meteoro sana yo mwaka wa 2025 bono nigo musangirekano bwo kubisangireria ebirengera bya bamenyi be county ya Kisii amonere ya Nyamira okorekana ase nyumba ya Kisii Culture Hall. Abu asomo Deputy County Commissioner we sub county ya Kisii Central Joseph Mwangi aigora bene omusangirekano yo.
Where you cannot develop or construct on your land or on a land that an easement or an order has been imposed, then you are eligible for compensation.
Legal protections are triggered once a conservation order is in place, and are there enforcement challenges in this conservation order easement?
Ukwana asomo sangirekano yo nigo oyomega tia babisa bali batomo ne Ministry of Tourism ahera byakegima igoro yechinsemo ao echo chigo chikokorerwa obonchureria ananakegima lichiko lidalikora obotugi bwechingite chiro sana amachiko yokora chinchera chokobaka na abantu bali bonsi bairo chingoma gose gwaitone chingite chiro sana nabo igo egachisurokeria kiracho kobekerwa montonde bwensi ogotoka na mamocho yogotuga gose gotwara chingite chiro sana gose gotoka kabwate ensemende yonsi ye chingite chiro sana bunariyo amagonchara mamencha yeri chiko.
Only use that land for uses that are compatible with wildlife conservation. Where you cannot develop or construct on your land or on a land that an easement or an order has been imposed, then you are eligible for compensation. Because you can go to the court and explain the significance and the role that this particular land serves in enhancing biodiversity. And the court can actually impose an order or an easement on this particular land.
Baliabaikira na somo sangirekano yo na barabombaru birengerero byabo nabo igoko bolya amabolyo atichinsemo chiria bataigo buya.
Legal protections are triggered once a conservation order is in place, and are there enforcement challenges in this conservation order easement?
Our identity, it is good, but we are many that this thing can also be translated to Kiswahili. Most of our people are good in Kiswahili, but I can see in this forum we are using only English language.
Nigo boygo yabatene nubuna lichiko lyokubaka n'abantu bali basaraligwe nibo yabone chingiti chiro sana ndireo kwende chinyoni naboigo ebikondo tibiwateranira roro ikiana nake cheirira amabolyo naboigo kugania ebikondo bibekweo ekiagera nigo bigosaria chindagara chabantu ananekagima ase wadi yabageka kitutu cha South.
Our millet before we harvest, and you are just saying that you have just had the list of pieces. Are the birds included?
Bono ebirengera lyo byabamenyi be county ya Kisii nirire Nyamira birirwe libichiko besiro asokoro iselichikelyo lirengete obolendi bwechingiti chiro sana yategere ase serikali anene wetera ase Ministry ya Tourism and Wildlife obisingerera ebirengera lebyo nabo gakorero isyamachiko ayara balenda bananchi ne chingiti chiro sana inkolipoteria Ensoko TV kurwase county ya Kisii Retariane Wycliffe Orenge.